What's up, YouTube? I'm here with another service call for no heat. And customer claims to turn on the unit and nothing starts. She reset it, she checked the thermostat, nothing's running. Now, I'm getting 3 flashes for pressure switch and the inducer's not on. So if the pressure switch is not closing and the inducer's not running, it seems like it might be a bad inducer. So what we're gonna do is check the inducer to see if it's bad. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So I have my meter here on volts. Okay, we're gonna turn on the unit. And we're gonna come down and put the door back on. So now I got the door back on. See the light blinking? I'll take the multimeter and we have a bad inducer. It's just a loose terminal. So, there we go. So now we're gonna fix that problem by replacing the inducer motor. So basically what we have is a bad terminal here. Looks like a loose tooth. And that eventually is just gonna cause heat from vibration and stuff like that and break off our arc somewhere. So what we're gonna do is replace the whole motor. I mean, we can just put the cord in and let it run its course, but in this case, this customer wants a new motor, so we will be replacing this inducer. Please like and subscribe, help me grow. Thanks, guys.